Hi, I'm Jenny Tschiesche. I'm a nutritionist and cook, and today I'm going to be making 3 recipes from my brand new recipe book, Sheet Pan Cooking. The first one I'm going to be making is actually a vegan recipe. This book is all inclusive. There's meat recipes, fish, vegetarian, vegan, desserts, and so on, even some sides. This vegan dish is using chickpeas as the plant protein, but we've also got a really rich sauce that's made from peppers and spices, tomatoes and coconut milk. So the first thing I'm going to do is take some peppers and just slice those up and pop them into the sheet pan. Okay, so that's our peppers in the sheet pan or baking tray. The next thing we're going to do is make a really simple curry sauce. We're going to use the sweet flavour of shallots, to which we're going to add ginger and garlic, classic flavours, and then some spices, tomatoes and coconut milk. So we finely chopped our shallots, our plump clove of garlic and some ginger. The next thing we're going to do is add some chopped tomatoes and some coconut milk to that to make a sauce. So we're building our sauce. We've now got the tomatoes and the coconut milk. We're going to add some spices, so classic curried spices, cumin, turmeric and coriander. Okay, so we're simply going to take the lid off and we're going to pour the sauce over the top of our peppers. And that is our curry sauce. And what we do next is we just cover that in some foil. We pop it in the oven to bake until all the peppers have released their sugars, are nice and sweet, and the sauce has cooked down. Remember, we've got garlic, ginger and onion and shallot in there. So I've just created that lovely curried tomato coconut sauce. What we're going to do after 30 minutes is just take the foil off, add the chickpeas in. It'll just cook for another 5 minutes and then it'll be served with some fresh fluffy cooked rice and the chickpea curry and some coriander on top.